I've opened it.
All right. So, do you see new notebook?
Yes, I've already opened the new notebook.
Okay. Then just by the left, you will see some icons that are
Okay.
arranged there. Then click on that one that looks like folder or file. I mean file.
Okay. I should click on file.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you get something like sample data. Did you see that?
No, no, I can't see it.
Oh, okay. Can you share your screen? Can you share your screen?
Okay. See what I'm working with.
Okay. Yeah, you clicked on file on no, click on file. No, not that. All those icons that are arranged by the left.
Okay,
That
this
icon
one.
that looks like file. Yes. No,
Okay,
not that
this
one. No, no, no. No. Go down. Go down.
this one.
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Yes. All right.
Mm. Okay, sample data. Okay, I've seen it.
Yes. Click on that three dots. Then upload.
Oh, okay. Oh, is that all?
Yeah. Try. You're here to upload it.
I'm trying to look for the file. I can't find it. What? Okay, yes. Okay, so. Okay, here.
Okay.
I would open it, right?
Yes. Click open.
Okay.
No, that's full. You're uploading the entire folder.
The entire folder.
Yes, that
I
I
just
guess that. Let me see. Go back.
uh,
Upload. You only meant to upload the CSV file.
here it is. This Python training.
Okay, that's this is not
Yes,
a
that's
CSV for this is not a CSV format. This is not a CSV
so.
format.
So how will I convert it?
Wait, go back. And this is not how to share your screen. Oh, okay. You joined with your phone, right?
Yes, I joined with my phone.
Okay. All right. Go back and click on this. Even in the format, it's not the exact format. There's no need to change. Because what I sent to you, it was in CSV file. It was in CSV format. It was not meant to change. This is just like what I'm seeing here is like VS Code file or so.
She
Okay.
can check the properties. You know, sometimes if you set an
Yeah,
application
this zip.
to open
Yeah,
automatically, it can bring the logo like that. Just check the properties.
I'm seeing WinRAR, then zip. Yeah, that's not it. That's not the file. Probably go to your WhatsApp again and download it. Just go to check the group and download it from there.
see what happened. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I downloaded it in my phone, then transferred it to
Okay.
my laptop.
To your laptop. Okay. Then did you try to open it with your phone? I mean on your phone. Try to open it on you can open it with WPS.
Yes.
So try to open it and let
Okay, I'll try it now. I've opened it in my phone.
okay. So did it appear as in form of data sets?
Yes, data sets in Excel.
Okay. All right. Then try to transfer it back to your system.
But here's the thing. If I should open can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
If I am to open it just here, let me show. If I'm to open it in my system, in my
Yes.
laptop, it opens
Yes.
like as the normal file.
Okay. Let me see. All right. Oh yeah.
It opens.
Enable your camera. Let me see.
Okay. I'm trying to open it here. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
So, what's happening? I was able to access it before. What's happening now?
Hope you are not opening it from Google Colab.
No, I'm not. I'm
Okay.
trying to open it.
Something went wrong.
Yeah, something went wrong, obviously. Oh, I will have it fixed and try it again.
All right. All right. No problem. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. I want to share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can.
All right. So this Jupyter notebook, and we want to create a new kernel. So I don't know if you open the data set, you will start. It contains some columns whereby we have items with item size. Okay, okay, let's try and load our data first. Okay. Do you still remember this?
Yes.
Yeah, this is just the markdown. So I'm saying I want to import libraries in our next line of code. So I want to import pandas as PD, import numpy as MP, import matplots, lib dot pyplot as PLT, import cbon SNS. Let's run our code. Okay, so that was successful. After importing our library, we want to load our data. Load data. And you know we use pandas for that, right? I think I explained that in our last class, right?
Yes, it did. Yes.
Yeah. So we have df equals pd dot read underscore csv. You open a bracket, then you write the name of your data. Yeah, I mean the name of the data set. So let me see. Okay. Big maths underscore trade dot csv. That's the name at my end. So whatever name you give your data set, that's the same name you will write here. Right?
Okay.
Train.csv. You close the bracket and let's run. That was successful. Then let's get the top 10 rows. And to do that, we use our df.head, right? Then we pass in 10 to return the top 10 rows. Good. And this is our data set. So this is how to show data in Python, right? You know, it's quite different from Excel or Power BI that you will go to get data, and when you click open, automatically it will appear. either in
Oh,
Excel or Power BI. Yes, but here you write code to get your data. So, and this is our data set now. So we have, let's see, okay, we have item identifier, item weight, item fact content, item visibility. Okay, down to item outlet sales, item type, outlet type. Okay, good. Now let us see the shape of our data. That means shape is we want to get the number of rows and columns, right?
yes.
Yeah. Getting the shape of our data. Then we use df.shape. df.shape. So we have 8,523 rows and just 12 columns. So this is actually at least it's kind of large to some extent. It's kind of large data set. Then, all right, keep exploring our data. Keep exploring our data. Then, one good practice is when you find out that your columns they start with uppercase, the column names, if they start with uppercase, you can rename them to lowercase, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So and that will enable you to, I mean, it will give you some kind of speed when you are writing your codes, because if they are in uppercase, that means you might want to be pressing cap lock to change it to uppercase before you write the name. But if they are in if they are in lowercase, you don't need to use cap lock. And also, it is very easy to read if your column names are in lowercase, and it also make your code looks very fine. So it's a good practice for you to rename your columns. And if you want to do that, you don't just come here and try to backspace and enter it. No, it should not work. You also write code to rename your columns, right? So and to do that, renaming column that. So you have df dot columns. Then we create a list for our column. It's something that you can now come here and come here, you copy all this. Just the column header. Copy just the column header. And you paste. Then after pasting, you start renaming. So we have item identifier. So you know this is they are strings now. So definitely you have to put them in what? In quotes.
Oh, in quotes, yes.
Okay, I think we are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Then when you are done, you run your code. Then let's see df.add. I see that all the columns that are they've changed to lowercase, right?
Yes.
All right, good. So now we want to perform some data cleaning. So then before we can say we want to perform data cleaning, that means our data contains errors or anomalies. So if our data is fine, maybe there's nothing wrong with it, then we don't need to perform any cleaning. So, but that means that we'll first what? Check our data if it actually contains errors or missing values. So let's write the mark down and say that. Okay, so data cleaning. Now we have df dot. Firstly, let us check the information df.info. Okay, so can you see the information of our data? So we have objects, our item identifier, it's an object, item weight, float, item fact content object, then we have item outlet year, outlet establishment year, it's an integer, outlet type, object. Okay. Now, for us to get the empty, maybe if we want to know if each of the columns contains empty cell or missing values, what you use is dot sum. So it will sum up all the missing values, right?
Yes.
So now let's see that getting the missing values. Then we have df dot is null. I said it's null, then dot what? Dot sum. That means it is adding all the missing values in our what? Data frame. Let's run that. Can you see that? So we have item width to be, okay, that's 1,463 entries, missing entries. Outlet size has 2,410 missing entries, while others are what? They are 0, right?
Yes.
And as a good analyst, it is not wise for you to continue with such data, for you to continue analysis with such data like this, with missing what? With missing values. So you must definitely do something about this, right? So, and
Okay.
like I think I mentioned that in our last class, You can either drop missing values or fill in what? Missing values. And don't forget, in our df.shape, we got the number of rows. It is what? 8,524. And under item weight, 1,463 values are missing. That means it is what? It is significant. You can't drop it. Assume it is 3, or let's say, assume it is 2, or let's even say 10 entries that are missing. It is still reasonable for you to drop those 10 missing values, right? But
Okay.
1,463 values are missing, then you can't just drop it. Also, under outlet size, 2,410 entries are missing, then you can't drop it like that. So you must try to fill in those missing values, right? So
Okay.
let's move forward. Filling missing, filling item with missing values. So we want to fill item with missing. Okay. Oh, so item weight. I think I made a mistake there. I wrote it as 10, 10 underscore weight. I didn't put I. And oh, so this is it. Funny enough, there's nothing we can do about that now, because if you try to change it, it will not, it will not change. It will not change. So, and I don't want to drop that particular column. So just continue to use it as term underscore weight, mean underscore item weight. So we want to fill this particular column, item underscore weight. We want to fill it with the mean value. That's the average. Those missing values, we want to fill them with the mean. So we have df weight dot mean. Firstly, we want to okay. So we have 12.85, 12.857 as the mean. So we want to, the decimal are too much now. So at least let's try to round it up. Let's try to round it up. Let's round it up to 1 decimal. Okay. So we have 12.9, right? Please, I
Yeah.
believe following.
Yes, I'm following.
All right, good. So that's how to round figures in Python. So you write round, which is a keyword. You write the name of your variable, then to the decimal place. So and here we pass in one. So and we have 12.9. Then also let's try and check the mode. Let's check the mode. Don't let us just assume that we should round with, I mean we should fill with the mean. Let's check the mode. You know, mode is highest reoccurring value now. You used to know that in your
Yeah.
statistic.
Yes, I do.
Right. Dot mode. Okay. $12.15 occurs the most. So 12.15. That's the mode. And it is very close to the mean. So it's just very wise for us to use the mean, right? So now let's fill in the what's it called now? Yeah, the missing uh, entries there. So we have DF. Let's create a new. Okay, good. Thank God. The initial one, the name was not really, the name is not correct. So now let's write item underscore weight. So this is how to create column in Python. You reference df, which is your data frame, then the name of column you want to add. So you put it in a quote, right? Equals.
Okay.
Do you get that at all?
Yes, I'm guessing it.
Okay.
Though.
Okay, good. Then we have df dot fill na. Then we want to fill with the mean item weight, right? Which is our mean. You know, we put it in a variable called mean item weight. So you close,
Yes.
and after closing, let's run. Upset the data frame with multiple columns. Okay. Then wait. What's feeling? Okay. So now we have this. So let us check our new column. Dot is not dot. So zero. So you can see under this new column called item weight that will fill those empty or non-available rows with the main item. You know that now we don't have any empty row again, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and that's why it's showing zero here. That's why it is showing zero. So now after doing that, then we need to drop the initial one, which is the term underscore weight. Let me see those that are on the call again. All right, so let's drop the initial one. So we have df dot drop. I want to drop them underscore weight axis 1. So we are dropping by a row. So when you go to the back, what we should have is, can you see we now have item underscore weight, right? Can you see that? Hello? Hello, Miss Victoria.
Yes, I said I cannot see it.
Oh, okay. The last column.
Okay, I've seen it.
Yes. And we don't have the previous one. I mean, the first one, we don't have it there again, which is the one I renamed as term underscore weight. I think it was around. Yes, so we don't have it anymore. So we've cleaned that. Now let's clean the outlet size. So from here, I can just copy this since we still want to fill with the mean. Oh, okay, let me see what item outlet size. Okay, outlet size. I think we have just okay. Medium, high. Okay, so we can fill with mean in this case. Since we don't have mean for test values now, you can't find the mean of words. So, but I'll just copy this, right? And let me paste. Let us paste here. Filling outlet size missing values. Good. Then we want to get the counts of our outlet size. Outlet size dot value counts. This will now count all your outlet size. So it will count all your outlet size. So we have medium, small, and high, right? And I think medium occurs, or medium is the mode because it's the highest recurring value there, or highest recurring year. So it is medium. Yeah, so we, in this case, we can't fill with the mean now. You can't find the mean of medium, small, and high. They are not numerical values. But we can fill in with we can fill it with the mode. So now let's copy this. Let's paste. Say outlet size. Yeah. Or new, let's say new outlet size. Right, then outlet size. Fill NA. We want to fill with medium. Sorry, please give me just 2 seconds rather. Okay, so we want to fill with medium. You put that in the quotes and let us run. Good. And yeah, already we know it will not contain non-value, definitely. Now let's drop the other one. Outlet size. Good. Now we have the new outlet size here, right?
Yes.
And we have our item width. Now let's check df dot is null dot sum. So we want to check the missing values for our clean data. I think we've dropped this one. This thing is still showing. It's not meant to the outlet weight the item weight is not meant to show again, and also the outlet size. Things have axis one place. Not there again. Okay. Now we have 0000, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. So none
Yes,
of
I
our
can see.
column contains empty rows again. And now we are good. We are fine. Whatever questions you've been
Yes.
given to answer, you can begin to answer them, right?
Yes.
And let's go back because I know it might be a little confusing. So let's go back and check our code again so you can understand very well. Okay, df dot columns. From here, we rename our columns, right? Our columns header. Do you still understand that? I want you to
Okay.
check it very well. And if you don't understand, just be truthful and tell me. I will explain. You are free to tell me. I will explain. So do you still get this part? Hello?
Yes, I got this part.
Okay. Then down to our data cleaning. So we have df.isNull.sum. All these are keywords in Python that you must know. So isNull, that is, does it contain non-value? Then if it contains non-value, sum those non-values for us. So it will bring out all the columns name and the missing values. It will display them just by the right. So you get it to this part too, right?
Yes, but I have a little question.
Okay, I'm with you.
In this getting missing values, why is there empty brackets there?
Empty brackets. A, right?
Yes, at that DF, yes. Is it like the formula or what?
Yeah,
Is it
that's the
something
formula.
I could change?
Is it something
Okay.
something like no, except you want to pass in some argument, but at default, that's how to write it, and it will return what you want.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Then from here, you can see how we got the mean. We declared a variable mean item weight, that is the mean of column item weight, then equals
I can
df.
see your screen again.
You can't see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Fix the tab. That's browsing your. That's doing your browser. What about now?
I am not seeing it. Okay, I can see it now.
Okay. Okay, good. Now, what this means is that the whole of our data set, we've renamed it as, we've stored it as what? Let me go back. Okay, we've stored it as, let me go back. Okay, as df, right? Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah, the whole of our data, we've stored it as df. Then what this will do is that, okay, in the whole data, pick item weight for me. So that's how we write, that's why we write df open bracket, then you pick this particular column, then dot mean. So it will get the mean of this particular column, right? And from here, I just round the mean item weight to one decimal place.
Mm, mm.
Then from here, I also get the mode. So mode item weight, then also that particular column, the mode, and we have 12.15 as the mode. And from here, we fill. Okay, what you now do is you create a new column. So in this data set, I mean in this data, we want to add this column called item weight equals df, then you open brackets, 10 weight dot fill na mean item weight. So we are filling those empty words. Fill na means fill not non-available.
Hello? I can't hear him again. No. Is it just
Hello, Mr. Biodun. We can't hear you. I think in his network, he will join back soon.
okay?
Okay, so let me try and contact him to know what's going on.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, sorry about that. My network went off. I lost my connection.
Okay.
Let me share my screen. Okay. Yeah, so I was saying that FELN means feel not available rules. So that's FELN. In fact, when you see that most of Python keywords, they are just normal English, like normal terms that you know that, okay, this is what this thing will work for. This is what this thing. Imagine like this drop now. Definitely you know that it is something like you want to drop a particular color. Yeah, like head. You know that you are talking about the top of something. And when you have dot tail, you know that you are talking about the bottom of something, right? So let's move forward. All right. Now that we've performed our data cleaning, then we can now move to our EDA, which is exploratory. Let me change this to Markdown. Data analysis. Okay. Now let's check. We want to get the mean of uh the new item weight now. The new item weight. You know, the old one contains missing values. So now we write mean get the mean for the blend item weight. And that's our first question. That's the first question we are provided with. And now we want to answer it. So how do we go about that? You write a variable, right? Mean item weight. Okay. Mean item weight here, then equals df, then item weight dot what dot mean. Then you round. We want to round to 2 decimal place now. I mean to 1 decimal place. Let's okay. And we still got what 12.9 to be the mean of our item weight. So we still get 12.9. And our second question is we want to get the mean item MRP. Item MRP. So we also want to get the mean. Please, I believe you are following.
Yes, I'm following.
All right. Item MRP not defined. Let's go MRP. Okay, line 3. Okay, main item MRP. Okay, so we go to what 141 as the mean. We go to 141, and now we move to our visualization. So and there is where we'll be creating our first chart. So we've also been provided with questions under that. So
Excuse
I
me.
said, what do you say?
I said excuse me.
All right, I'm with you.
In getting the mean for item MRP, there is an
Yes.
error that just came up now. How did you correct it, please?
Okay, the error was I wrote item MRP instead of mean item MRP. I want to return this variable. I don't know if you get that. I wrote
Yes.
item MRP. Yes, our variable name is mean item, so it was a mistake.
Okay.
So I omitted mean.
Okay.
Yeah, then I added it back. So that was how I was able to fix it. So data visualization. All right. And the first question we are provided with is we want to get the outlet size by the item weight. Outlet size by the item weight, right?
Okay.
So size by item weight. Okay, yeah. So I was saying that when I was explaining our libraries in our last class, so I think I've explained pandas, I've explained NumPy, then we have match.lib. Then what we use that for is for visualization, including Seaborn, including PyPlots. So we use them for what? For data visualization, right? So I want you to note that. I want you to note that. Yes. So our
What did you say NumPy is used for? Because what I got yesterday was pandas, which is used for manipulation of data and the rest.
yeah. Okay, NumPy is used for array manipulation. You use to manipulate array.
Okay.
Yes, and you also use to create matrices in Python. So we have item size by weights equals df dot group by item. That's is the item size now or outlet size. Okay, new outlet size.
Outlet size.
Outlet size. They are grouping by new outlet size by the item weight. And what you want to perform is what is sum. So that means it will group the outlet, item weight by what? By new outlet size. You know, we have three outlet size. We have medium, we have low, we have high. Or let me say we have high, medium, low, right?
Yes.
So wherever high appears under the outlet size, it will add all the weight under item weight for what? For high. Wherever we have medium, it will add all the weight, and wherever we have low, it will add all the what? All the weight too, right?
Yes.
Let's first see our results. All right, good. We have what? High, medium, small. So I think, right? So this is why visualization is very, very important. You can see I was finding it difficult to read all these numbers now. I was trying to see that which one is the highest, like which one has the highest item weight. Is it medium? Is it small? Or is it high? But by the time you visualize, then the highest we what we you can easily see the assuming you visualize using column charts now, you will find out that the highest we have the highest what? Highest bar. Then the lowest we have the what? The least what? The least bar. So let's continue. Okay, I will comment this out. I want to have PLT dot figure. Now I will give it a fixed size of 10,6. So fixed size means figure size, and it means that you are setting the column and the vertical axis and the horizontal axis, the length. So I'm setting X, which is the horizontal axis, to be what? To be 10, and vertical axis, which is Y, to be 6. You still remember X, comma Y now in our graph?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have PLT dot bar PLT dot X label. Our X label will be the outlet outlet size, then PLT dot Y label. That should be our item weights. And we have PLT dot title. PLT dot title. That's outlet size by item weights. PLT dot show. Okay, if we have errors, you correct your errors. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's run and see our results. Okay. Invalid syntax pass, forgot the command line 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you have to check your code very well. It might be comma that is missing, or just quote, and it will be giving you issue. So once you see error like that, you trace the error. That's why we have error messaging in any of the programming language you use, either in JavaScript, Java, Python. You have your error your error message. So is what is meant to point you towards to errors. So they are meant to occur. So we have outlet size by item width not defined. Outlet size. Okay. Imagine. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
All right. So can you see where the error is? What I wrote here was outlet size by weight. And here I wrote outlet size by item weight.
Okay.
Yeah. And it was telling me that the name item size by item weight is not defined. And that is true. So you have to remove we have to remove the item. Outlet size. Okay. New outlet size. Outlet size. Okay. So, can you see that now? Hello?
Yes, I can see it.
All right. So, and this is our first visualization. So we have, okay, let me reduce the figure size. This is too. So we have what? Medium, which has the highest what? Item weight, right?
Yes.
And what we have, what's it called? Okay, I think this item size. X is item weight. And Y is outlet size. Miss Precious, are you there? I'm not sure she's with us again. Okay, we have this outlet size, then item weight. So you can see that medium has the what? Highest what? Item weight, which is about 60,000 plus.
Item.
Then followed by what? By small. And followed by what?
Small.
Followed by
High.
right.
Yes.
So that's just a very simple visualization. So now let me explain. So the first thing is we already know that we want to get the item size, I mean the outlet size by the what? By item weight, right? That means we'll use something like
Yes.
group by. So even if it is what's it called? SQL, you're using what? You're using group by. If it is Excel or Power BI, you're also using what? Group by. So it will group the what? The two together. Now we declare the variable outlet size by what? By the weight equals data frame, the entire data frame dot group by. We are grouping what? New outlet size by what? By the item weight. And we are using what? Dot sum. So that is, we are summing them together. You can use dot me depending on the question you want to answer. But in this case, we are using what? Dot sum. And we reset what? We reset the index. Here we have PLT, which is, let's go up. Import matplotlib.pyplot as what? As what?
PLT.
PLT. So anywhere you want to use matplotlib, you write what? PLT. So that's why I wrote what? PLT dot figure. Then when you have figure, it means you want to set the fig size, the figure size. Then we have fig size equals the horizontal length and the vertical what? Length 6,4. The vertical the horizontal should be more than should be larger than the what? The vertical. And let's see that. Can you see? Is this one not bigger than this?
Yes, it is.
So then we have SNS, which is our seaborn dot bar plot. That is, we want to create a bar what? A bar chart. Then you open a bracket, outlet size by weight, which is our variable, dot sort values. So all these things, they are not really necessary. The sort values, the anything are not necessary. Sort values. Then we want to sort by what? New outlet size. And what is our new outlet size? We want to sort by what? This. Either, yeah, we want to sort by this, and we are setting it to be what? To be false. So that is, we are not setting in ascending order, right?
Okay.
Then, okay, let me change this to, true. Can you see what happened? Now we have,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm.
And also you
Change
can
to
sort by, let's sort by the item weight. So when you sort by the item weight, you know, item weight is in what is, I mean, is there, it is numerical now. The item weight,
Mm.
yes. Then we sort what? We sort ascending. That is from smallest to what? To the largest. And when you see it,
Biggest.
you find out that high has the smallest what? Item weight, followed by what? By small, and followed by what? By medium. Now let's set it to first. Let's set as ascending to first. That means if you set ascending to first, descending will be what? Will be true, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Yes. Yes.
yeah, that's the logic there.
I just got this now. Okay.
So can you see? Descending is now true.
Mm. Yeah.
Small, then high. Then that's for item weight. Let's go back to our outlets, new outlet size. Okay, we said ascending should be first. That means descending is true. And let's see what happens. So what this will do is it will take the first letter. You can see
Okay.
in alphabet, H comes before what? M.
Then X.
Then M comes before what? S.
S.
That is, S is the greatest, then down to medium, then down to what? To high. Then if you set it to be true, you will see that high will come first, medium, then small. Can you see?
Yes.
So that's the logic there. I will use item weight, and I'm setting, yeah, ascending true. Ascending, okay. I think this is good. Then we have X. X means what? The X axis. We said what? Item weight. And let's check the X axis. This is the X axis now. Item weight.
Mm.
Then Y, we said Y should be what? Outlet size. And this is Y axis. Y axis, X axis. So that's Y for us. Then palette. Palette means your color. It means your color.
Mm.
So we have different colors. We have the set 2, we have set 3, we have Marco, we have several colors like that. But you don't just use any color for Seaborn. If the color is not in Seaborn, then it will not work. You can type yellow and it will not work. You can type blue and it will not work. Right? So you have to get the colors that you can use for your SNS. Then we have hue, and we have legend. Legend is okay. Let me set it to true and you will. Have you worked with Excel before?
No.
Okay. But do you know what legend is?
No, I don't.
Okay. Now let me set it to true and then you will see what. So can you see it now? So these are what? This is what? This is
Legend.
legend, right? It will pick out each of the colors and it will give it the what? The exact value. So we have for medium, that's the greatest. I mean, it's the largest. Then we have what? Small. This is the color. And we have what? High,
Hi.
right? So, but I don't want legend. So I
Okay.
just set it to be false. Yes. Then we have plt.x label. X label means the X as its title. That's
Okay.
yes. Then we set that to be what? Item weight.
Let me
Then
wait.
plt.y label. We set that to be what? Outlet what? Size.
Let's say
This is it here. Then plt.title, which is the general title. We said that what? Outlet size by what? Item weight.
let me wait.
Can you see it here?
Mm.
Yeah. Then we write plt.show. That is what will show your chart. If you did not write plt.show, your chart will not show. Let me comment that out and let's see. No, it's not. It's okay. I have outlet size by. Let me uncomment. Okay. So, but your plt.show will be the one to show your what? To show your chart for you. So, and that is, except you want to now do little more customization, then you can now have different attributes that you can write again, and also for your SNS we have bar plots. For PLT, I think we have dot bar, and there are a lot of visualization you can use. We have the line chart here, we have the pie chart, we have the column chart, we have the histogram, we have the heat map, and several visualizations that we can use. So I believe you get that, right?
Yes, I get it. Well, where can I get all these visualizations that you're mentioning?
Okay, where you can get them as well.
Um, I guess in Excel there are places that you can just go and you pick all those things and work with them.
Yes.
Does Python have same thing?
No, not at all. So you have to write them here. You have to write
Okay,
them here. Yes. You know, I wrote bar plots. That means I'm dealing with, I want what? A bar chart,
that's
right?
right. Okay. Mm.
Yes. So that's how to go about it. Then I will send one assignment to you. I will send it on the group. So it will just be a
Okay.
simple visualization like this too. Yes, then you will work on it. You will work on it.
Okay.
Yes. So I believe there's no question again, right?
No, I don't have any questions for now.
Okay, okay. All right, good.
Probably
And
when I'm going through it on my own. If I have any question, I can reach out to you, right?
yes, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. All
All
right.
right.
So do have a wonderful night rest.
You too.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome. You're welcome. Please ensure you go through all of this. Ensure you do.
I will.
All right. All right.
All
Good
right.
night. Yeah,
Good
good
night.
night, one. Miss Precious.